Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do a little range test and see how far we can go. 20 feet. Good. So, that's 60 feet roughly. Now, this is the range still working okay, because if you're away, I really doubt if, I mean, you're probably well beyond the range for a typical microphone. Okay, we're coming back. 30 feet, 20 feet, 10 feet. How did that work?
I don't see why there's a little LCD screen on here. Like, there's nothing that's lighting up. Nothing that I can see at all. Maybe I'll try plugging in and see if that makes a difference. So this is my third time recording this video. Actually, maybe my fourth. My fourth time recording this video. And none of those 4 attempts actually recorded the audio. Not one. So if you are looking for something reliable, these are not it. I would not recommend these at all. They are just, it didn't work for me. Might work for you, but I've owned a lot of these little microphones and there are better options out there.